Hey y'all, welcome to Petite Jewel the channel. My name is Christiana, and you know what? Happy New Year! So if you're like me, you have seen these little purple boxes on your social media feed. Instagram, TikTok, of course. I mean, I feel like this video is almost kind of like a TikTok made me do it type video, because my timeline feeds, whatever they're called, have been flooded with these glueless units from LuvME hair. And I mean, I've seen a bunch of influencers do these ads with LuvME hair, and listen, I'm not knocking nobody hustle. It looked good, so I figured, you know what, let me purchase and test it out with you girls. Oh guys, I mean, is it really glueless? Do I need some type of adhesive? Like, can I really put this on and go? You know, just kind of like slap it on, cut out the lace and go? Or do I need to like tweak it out a little bit more? From what they're given on Instagram and TikTok, it seems like you can just put this on, cut up the lace and go. So is it for real? Or, I mean, I don't know. We're gonna see. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. This is the short unit. I purchased it during their annual holiday sale, so it was $119. I don't think it's a bad deal. I mean, I've heard some great things about LuvME hair, so I'm super excited, but I'm also nervous because I want to make sure that, you know what, whatever they're selling is actually what it's gonna give. So without any further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get to it. I actually got a side part unit, which is glueless, and this is what it's given. I mean, it's definitely bleach, so that's kind of good. So I have the wig. I took everything out of it. I mean, I am really impressed at the knots. Like, whoever bleached this, they did really good. I mean, I did not have to put on my spray, because normally what I will do is I'll use my Eben. I'm not using that because they bleached the hell out of this knot. Okay, the only thing I might go in with is the hairline. And ooh, let me put this back, yo. So this is the hairline. It's okay as far as what they did. I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more, so, but yeah. And the wig does come with 3 combs, so there's 2 up top right here, there's 2, and then there's 1 at the bottom of the wig right here. And then you also have this elastic band to kind of keep it snug. And they do have the adjusters, so you can adjust it. But anyway, so yeah, let's get to this. I'm gonna put this wig on. Oh yo, this is my first time doing this on camera. It might be a little messy, cause you know I'm not used to this, but let's do it. Okay. Ciao. Alright, so there's a side part unit. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And this is it. I mean, yeah, I'm not really with this hairline. I feel like I should definitely plug it because it's not giving right now. As of right now, it's just not giving what it's supposed to. But overall, I really do, I like the scalp. Oh, that lace, it's nice. I mean, yeah, I don't have to do nothing with it. So, okay. So I'm gonna definitely take this off and try tweezing it a little bit more. I'm not gonna do this on camera because I'm not really that good. I'm gonna tweeze it off camera and I'm gonna come back and do the install. Okay, y'all. So let's do a quick check. So yeah, I've been plugging. And I think the hairline is starting to get together, but I feel like I need to plug a little bit more. Hey y'all, so I went back in and I plugged more. I think I'm kind of okay with it, because I don't want to overplug, you know. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's definitely not as full, but do y'all see this? Definitely one thing I want to talk about is the hair texture. It feels really good, and I do love this length. I mean, I haven't done nothing to it yet as far as like straightening or anything like that, but I'm actually liking it. And let's get to the interesting part of this. So we are going to try to cut out this lace and see if this unit is actually glueless. Let me take this off a little bit. Okay, there you go. Like, what? Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace and we're gonna do this together just to make sure if you can actually just slap this on and go. But I just wanted my hairline to look a little bit more natural, so that's why I kind of went in. And I mean, I'll show you guys how much hair I took out. But yeah, it's given. I actually am. I mean, I really do like this unit. Like, once I get it straightened and then with my makeup and all that, ooh, oh, it's giving me character energy. All right, y'all. So let me grab my scissors, or I don't know what I'm gonna use, but yeah, let me grab this and we're gonna cut this lace off. Okay. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and cut off the lace off camera. This is what the wig is looking like. I do still feel like now that the lace is off, that just for me, that I will need to go in and plug it out a little bit more, just a little bit more, because I love my hairline to look super natural. And right now, it's not bad, but I can definitely do more. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna plug in my my flat iron, and I'm gonna straighten it, and I will use my hot comb and kind of give it a nice little look. But overall, I feel like this wig is kind of glueless. Like, I would say semi-glueless. That's what I would say. Just because you can definitely get away with this, just like this. Because, I mean, it's really snug. I mean, unless you, even if I do this, you see, I mean, it's not moving. Hair slip behind my ears. So. Okay guys, so we are back and this is what it's looking like. I mean, the wig was already fire, but I actually got my makeup done and you know, I'm feeling it at this point. So, ooh, let's give. Okay. And listen, we did not spray her down. I initially thought about it. I'm just like, you know what? The intention of this video is to showcase if this unit is actually glueless and what's the purpose of gluing it down. So I just kind of put her back on my head. I went in with a little bit of spray just so it kind of matches my skin. And that's about it. Oh, I did use my hot comb just to, I mean, I didn't have a whole lot of flyaways, but I wanted it to be a little bit more flatter, which it was really good. I mean, this is all extra stuff. But yeah, so this is what she's looking like. Again, baby, glue wear, okay? Overall, I really do like this hair. Definitely give this hair a try. And if you have not yet, definitely like this video if you're liking what you're seeing. And if you guys would like me to do more of these type videos, I'm definitely I'm into that. I mean, I do like to get cute sometimes, not all the time, but I do. So I think that's about it. You know what? Until next time, it's out.